Do people actually listen to this? Alright, so I should have made this tutorial months ago, but here we are now, so shut the fuck. Anyways, this motherfucker has been doing like this sound that I honestly haven't been the biggest fan of, but low-key kind of goes hard sometimes.
Walk up in the mall and I ball, bitch, I'm patch made. Shot a nigga in the nuts, hell yeah, castrate.
I don't really know who pioneered this sound, but I'm pretty sure it's XavierSoBased, and I don't give a fuck, so I'm not even gonna look it up. Let's see how to do it. Set that shit to a high-ass BPM. Don't even matter, just something high as fuck. Get your main melody. I was too lazy to make a melody, so I just stole the PS2 startup sound. Then get your snares that sound like this. Get a snare to layer it with for that extra bounce. Get them open hats, cause regular hi-hats are overrated. Get your 808s. Don't make it too complex. Some claps, some snaps, and of course, the twerk claps. After you got all that down, it should sound like this. But wait, we're not done. Add some beat cuts. Add one of these things. That Wii Sports sample. Add that sexy ass tag.
You got the sauce.
Then you're gonna want to get your hard-hitting lyrics. Now the values you're gonna want for these lyrics is do crimes, get away with them, free pussy, kinky shit. And also compare yourself to other dudes constantly, cause that's not zesty at all. Put in some ad-libs.
What? I was confident.
Don't forget those annoying ass vocal chops. You're gonna need one of those weird ass intros, you know, that the SoundCloud motherfuckers do. And like, speed it up. Wait, I almost forgot. Export that shit. Make a new project. Take your rendered file, drag it into the timeline. Now speed that shit up. This is what it should sound like.
You got the sauce. Please don't get attached, all we gonna do is fuck, yeah. Talking all the shit, yeah, this bitch is on my nuts. I ain't really looking personality, ain't tryna front. That boy tryna hit a home run, all he do is blunt. Spent 5 minutes with me, she gon' need therapy. What? OnlyFans bitches tryna make content with me. I be taking flicks while she slobbing on me. I ain't never know, she been back. Please, yeah, I killed a whole ass family in my Ultima. I got real head when we dip it, I was confident. She like a squirrel with my nuts, she got both of them. That boy tryna be like me, like you ain't one of us. Why, now you crying like a baby. I scan on your grandma, she gon' pay me. 30 said he wanna fight, now he flaky. I keep running from the law, new Mercedes.
Yeah, that's all.